Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone still relying on their trusty HP ScanJet flatbed scanner, the Skytech AC adapter compatible replacement. If you've ever found yourself with a lost, damaged, or simply worn out power supply for your scanner, you know how frustrating it can be to find a reliable replacement. This adapter aims to be that perfect solution, specifically designed for a range of HP ScanJet models including the 2300, 3500, 4600, 4670, and those requiring C7160A or Q2957A parts. Right off the bat, it's important to note that this is a replacement adapter, not an original HP product. However, the manufacturer assures us it's 100% compatible and a brand new, non-OEM, high-quality power supply. This is crucial because compatibility is key when it comes to electronics, and nobody wants to risk their valuable scanner with a subpar power source. The company emphasizes that you shouldn't confuse this with the low-quality, low-current alternatives often found on the market, suggesting a commitment to a higher standard. One of the first things you'll appreciate is the generous 5-foot cable length. This provides ample flexibility for setting up your scanner, ensuring you're not tethered too closely to a power outlet. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference in usability. Another thoughtful addition is the integrated LED indicator. This little light gives you instant visual confirmation that the adapter is receiving power and ready to go, which is always a reassuring feature. When it comes to power specifications, this Skytech adapter is built for global use. It boasts a wide input voltage range of 100V to 240V, making it suitable for worldwide travel or use in different regions, without needing a separate voltage converter. This versatility is a huge plus. But beyond just powering your device, safety is paramount. This adapter comes equipped with multiple protection features: over-voltage output protection, over-current output protection, and short-circuit output protection. These safeguards are designed to protect not only the adapter itself, but more importantly, your valuable HP ScanJet scanner from potential electrical damage. It's built to meet original equipment specifications, which speaks volumes about its quality and reliability. So, if you're in need of a dependable power solution for your HP ScanJet 2300, 3500, 4600, or 4670, this Skytech AC adapter appears to be a solid contender. Just remember to double-check your specific scanner model against the listed compatibility to ensure a perfect fit. It offers the convenience, safety, and compatibility you need to keep your scanner running smoothly.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.